Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So I hope everybody's doing fine, and before we start, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to import the OS module because we are going to create multiple directories here. So I'm going to create a function called multiple directories. This is my function, multiple directories, and variable here called user path. And the user path, I'm going to use my desktop, and I'm on Windows. And this is my own personal desktop for Windows. Yours will be different, so you'll have to check yours. So this is going to be users mark and the folder that I'm going to create the multiple directories in is X folder there. That's something that I've already created on the desktop, which is here. Okay, right, as I said before, with this path here, your path is going to be different from mine, so you must find your path, or else, like I said before, the program will not work. Okay, so I'm going to create directories. And I'm going to call the first one, I'm going to create the first folder or directory as folder 1. I'm going to create the next one appropriately as folder 2. And I'm going to create a third one as folder 3. So I'm going to create all these new folders or directories inside the X directory or folder here. Okay, so we're going to go for dirs in directories. So we're going to loop through it. Path is equal to os.path.join, and this is going to be the user path. Dirs, okay, and then we're going to create the directories using os.makedirs here. So that's going to be to the path and exist here. OK is equal to true. Whoops. Right, all we have to do now is call this, and we call it using the name, which is multiple directories. Okay, hopefully I haven't made any typos. Let's just save that, and we shall run the program. Okay, so that's a good sign. So let's go down to our directory X here, which is on the desktop, and see if it's made any directories. And there you go, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you've enjoyed that and got something from it. And remember, as always, to hit the subscribe button. It will help the channel out. I'm trying to grow the channel. And yeah, drop me a comment if you want. Just say hi or whatever, you know. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.